any seasoning of our choice. Then we boil with like a quarter cup of water for about 5 to 7 minutes. Place it in a pan, a baking pan or an oven pan. After placing the chicken in the pan, then we're gonna grill it with my all chicken purpose marinade. If you want to see a video of how I do my all purpose chicken season marinade, please comment in the section down below and I will make a full video of how I do my all purpose chicken marinade. Okay, so after this we're just going to apply the chicken marinade on the chicken, like just apply it with the use of a brush. When doing this, please just try to preheat your oven because we're going to be grilling this in a preheated oven. So after I apply this on both sides, I'm just gonna put it straight into the preheated oven and grill. Flip it to the other side and repeat the process. Then we're gonna grill this for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. Like I said, please preheat your oven before putting the chicken in the oven. After like 7 minutes or so, I took out the chicken and I flipped to the other side. And then I grilled that again for about 7 minutes or so. You don't want to grill it all the way through because we're still going to apply some of our all-purpose chicken marinade. So I applied it the second time and grilled for about 3 minutes and the chicken is ready. Please, if you like this video, like, comment and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Thanks so much.